How to remove Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can remove our Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you wanting to remove your Instagram account, I'm going to assume that you want to delete your Instagram account. So to delete our Instagram account, all we have to do is go ahead and launch the Instagram application and sign into the account. Just come to the profile page from here and then make sure to tap the three lines option from the top and then go to the option called Account Center. After you come to the option called Account Center, scroll down and look for the option called Personal Details, and then after that look for Account Ownership and Control. Now from here select Deactivation or Deletion and then just select your Instagram account that you want to remove or delete. Once done, if it's set to deactivate account, you have to set this to delete account and then tap the Continue option. Select the reason as to why you want to delete Instagram and then just go ahead and tap the Enter Your Password. Once you enter your password, you should be able to remove and delete your Instagram account successfully. This way you can delete your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.